Hi, in this video we will go through timer and interval function in JavaScript. So in this particular example, I have set a timer of 5 seconds. So if I refresh my browser, you can see the countdown starts and then there is a message appearing after a regular interval of 1 second. So let's see how we can achieve this in JavaScript. For this particular tutorial, I have done my homework. HTML and CSS. It's a basic stuff, very basic. We all know that. I just styled the main and the read, and there is nothing inside apart from this H1. And H2 will appear once the function is triggered. So let's see how we can achieve this. So first of all, in JavaScript, I need to target this countdown and main ID. So to get that, let's say timer el equals document dot get element by ID, because it's ID, so we know how we can get that. So let's say countdown. Then another variable called main element. Same thing, get element by ID. And I will copy and paste main. So we got the control of those two, and now we need to create a message variable. Message equal, this is our timer and interval JavaScript. So that's the message we want to see once the countdown disappears. So let's see how we can achieve this. So another variable called words, because we want to cache the words. So every time in this one where we saw that before, single word was appearing. So for that one, we need to cache the space. Message dot split, and how we can split them with the space will be empty within the quotation marks. So that's for the message. Now we move on to a function countdown. So let's say variable time left equal 5 seconds. So that's depend on how much time you want to give to the clock to run to set the time countdown. And then another variable called time interval. This one we need to set interval, and we'll create a function. So in this if and else statement, we will use if time left, which is this one, is greater than 1, we want time left, timer element dot text content equal time left plus a message which will be seconds remaining. Cool. So once time is more than 1 second, we want this to inner countdown in the H2 to appear that time left, how many seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, and plus seconds remaining. So to trigger that, we need to use that time left minus minus. So this will, every second, this will reduce a number and they will go back to 5, 4, 3, 2. Else, timer element dot text content and set to empty, which is undefined. So it will run this one until 0 until 1, and then it will be undefined, which is 0. So then we need to stop the function. So once it's done, it came to the empty thread, then we want to stop this function to happen. So we'll see clear interval, and in the clear interval we need time interval to stop, which is this one. Before we set it, and now we clear it because this action will happen and I don't want to keep going on. So that's done for our countdown, and now we need to do the main one. So another thing which we are missing here is the time, like after how much time we want it to go down. So let's see, 1000 millisecond mean after every second I want it to go down. That's that. And then there will be another function called display message. So there will be a function, and in this one we need to show the message. So we will take a variable called word count equals 0, variable message interval equal another set interval, and then again function, same thing as we did up. And then again another if and else statement. So if words are word count is this one, so all the messages, all the words. Word count, here we're gonna do the equal undefined, which is this one, that's undefined, and then clear interval, which one, message interval. So once this one gone to 0, we don't want it to continue, so this one will stop there. Else main el dot text content equal words word count. So this will be word count plus because this one we want to go higher. So that's done. That's our two function to trigger that. Then again, this one we need it to be executed after every second. So that will be 1000 milliseconds. So now we need this countdown to start there, and then this display, this function to be triggered after the clear interval. So once this one is completed, then this one will follow. So let's see if this code is working. So let me refresh that. So we can see the timer is triggered, and then as soon as will disappear after a second, this is our timer and interval JavaScript. So that's about the timer and interval. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hopefully next time we'll come with something another. Thanks for watching. Bye.